Your home is filled with electrical currents, but to most people, the dangers may be invisible. An NICEIC registered electrician can see the dangers you can't.
The advert you have just watched was produced by the NICEIC. We've been members of the NICEIC for around 20 years now, and each year we are checked and verified to ensure that all our installations are to the regulations. It's good to be registered with them. In fact, we are approved contractors, so higher level, but we can certainly carry out work in your home, your business, in your offices, in your shops. Rest assured that we have the assurance from NICEIC that we are carrying out the works correctly. As recognised NICEIC approved contractors, you can be rest assured we can carry out this work. Just give us a phone call or an email or a text, and we can make contact with you to get your work carried out.